Hello everyone, we're gonna discuss about the plumbing or sanitary design. Next, our discussion overview includes the introduction, the plumbing cycle, water supply and distribution, plumbing material and pipes, pipe joints, pipe fittings, and the plumbing fixtures. So the plumbing and sanitary system is an essential part of every house or building. So we need proper planning and designing of plumbing system as it takes care of the hygiene requirements of the occupants. A plumber's job role consists of installation, repair, maintenance, and servicing of plumbing fittings and fixtures. So plumbing, it is the skill and art that is needed to transport water from the source to the users, then to the treatment plants, and finally supplying the treated water to the users through a distribution system. Next, um, the sanitary work. It refers to carrying the wastewater to the waste disposal system or the sewerage system through plumbing fixtures. So the plumbing installation is governed by the regulations and rules adopted by the concerned municipal corporations or committees of different states and union territories. Plumbing and sanitation work thus plays an important role in the construction of building. A plumbing system consists of pipe fittings and appliances used for water supply and drainage. In this system, different pipes are used for different purposes. The plumbing system includes the water supply, the galvanized iron or plastic pipes and fixtures, soil pipes and fixtures, sanitary drainage, and the rainwater drainage system. Next. The plumbing cycle refers to a mechanism through which water is taken from a source, then supplied to the users. And finally, wastewater is collected and recycled to the source after proper treatment. Plumbing and pipe fittings play a major role in the construction of all types of buildings. An efficient plumbing work keeps the atmosphere free from bad smell and ensures better sanitation. Next. Water supply and distribution system. It carries water from the water source, street main or a pump to the building and to various points in the building at which water is used. Water plays an important role in plumbing system. It provides water. Providing water is one of the most critical utility. And it is a universal solvent also. Next. The sources of water. We have the rainwater collected from roofs or buildings and special watersheds and stored in cisterns or ponds. Groundwater. The portion of the rainwater which has percolated into the earth to form underground deposits called aquifers. And the natural surface water, a mixture of surface runoff and the groundwater. Surface sources includes rivers, lakes, ponds, and impounding reservoirs. Next, go back. For physical properties, we have the surface tension, the ability to stick itself together and pull itself together. The heat absorption capacity, the ability to absorb heat without becoming warmer. We have the capillarity, the ability to climb up to a surface against the pull of gravity, and dissolving ability, known as the universal solvent. Next. The water supply and distribution system. The water distribution system, the water service pipe, water distribution pipes, and the necessary connecting pipes, fittings, control valves, and all appurtenances in or adjacent to the structure or premises. Parts of water distribution system. We have service pipe. The pipe from the main water or other source of potable water supply to the main distribution system of the building served. Water meter, it is a device used to measure in liters or gallons the amount of water that passes through the water surface. The distribution pipe or supply pipe, a pipe within the structure or the premises which conveys water from the water service pipe or meter to the point of utilization. We have the riser, a water supply pipe that extends one full story or more to convey water to branches or to a group of fixtures. Fixture branch, the water supply pipe between the fixture supply pipe and the water distributing pipe. And fixture supply, a water supply pipe connecting the fixture with the fixture branch. Next. Talking about cold water distribution system, we have types of water distribution: the direct or upfeed and the indirect. Direct upfeed, water is provided by the city water companies using normal pressure from public water main. In indirect, we have downfeed or gravity system. Water is pumped into a large tank on top of the building and is distributed to the fixtures by means of gravity. We have also the hydropneumatic system or the air pressure system. When pressure supplied by the water supply is not strong enough, we use compressed air. Compressed air is used to raise and push water into the system. Next. Types of hot water distribution systems. The upfeed and gravity return system. With a continuing network of pipes to provide constant circulation of water, hot water rises on its own and does not need any pump for circulation. The downfeed and gravity return system, hot water rises on the highest point of the plumbing system and travels to the fixture via gravity. The pump circuit system, for a more efficient of hot water to the upper floor levels of multi-story buildings. Next. Plumbing material and pipes. We have here a sealing material or thread seal tape. A thread seal tape or faucet is used for sealing pipe threads. It is manufactured from a polytetrafluoroethylene film. This tape is cut to the desired width and placed around the threads of a pipe prior to fixing it in place. Plumber's putty. The putty is used as a sealant during plumbing. It is a simple material needed for water right seal around taps, also called faucets and drains. The sealing adhesives. These are used while joining plastic parts, fixtures, fittings, etc., and are most usually available in sanitary and hardware shops. Plumbing pipes. As you are aware, pipes are used for different purposes, like transporting water for drinking, irrigation purpose, disposing the wastewater, and etc. Plumbing pipes are manufactured in various sizes, mostly in round shape. These pipes are made of various types of material. Next, the types of plumbing pipes. First, we have the cast iron pipes. These are mostly used as pressure pipes for transmission of water, gas, and sewage, and as water drainage pipes. CI pipes have the following advantages. They are cheaper in cost, they have more resistance to rust and corrosion, and they are highly durable. The ductile iron pipes. These pipes are used for transmission and distribution of potable water. They are made of ductile iron and are improved version of cast iron pipes. Third is the steel pipes. These are popular due to their strength and lightweight, as compared to CI pipes. Adequate preventive measures are required so as to save these pipes from adverse atmospheric conditions. Next. For the galvanized iron or GI pipes. These pipes are mostly used inside the building for water supply work. A zinc coating is made on wrought steel. These pipes are manufactured in light, medium, and heavy grade category, as per the thickness of the metal. The copper pipes. These are mostly used for hot water installation requirements. They have high tensile strength. These are made from thin copper sheet and can be folded easily. Chromium is coated on copper pipes for better appearance. Next is the asbestos cement or the AC pipes. For removal of water from the roof, soil, and waste, and for purifying the air, asbestos cement pipes are used. Next, the concrete pipes. As the name suggests, concrete pipes are made of plain concrete. It is a mixture of broken stone or gravel, sand, cement, and water, which is considered to be the one of the strongest and most durable building material. Concrete pipes are also come in different categories, like unreinforced pipes, reinforced pipes, and pre-stressed pipes. Next is the stoneware or SW pipes. These are made of clay and are primarily used in sewerage system for underground drainage, industrial drainage, irrigation, chemical industry for transporting the highly corrosive chemical, etc. The stoneware or SW pipes are mostly used to carry night soil and effluent water. These pipes are laid below the surface. The pipe should be laid on regular surfaces as they are rigid in nature. The PVC or the polyvinyl chloride pipes. These pipes are mostly used for carrying water in the plumbing system and are light in weight, non-corrosive, cheaper in cost, and did not require any threading for joining connections. It makes them easily acceptable in the market. Next, the chlorinated PVC or CPVC pipes. These pipes can be used for higher temperature up to 120 degrees and are therefore suitable for supplying hot water and are mostly usually used in industrial liquid application. The polypropylene pipes. These are manufactured with propylene or random copolymer. Polypropylene pipes are primarily used for carrying hot water and cold water supply conduits, industrial pipelines, and etc. Next, the PEX or XLPE. This type of pipe is made of specialized polyethylene and is used in building services, pipework system, domestic water piping, transportation of sewage, slurries, and chemical transportation, as well as for natural gas and offshore oil application. And plasticized polyvinyl pipes. These are primarily used in ventilation pipework, rainwater applications, and wastewater discharge system. Next, the pipe laying. It is an important process in plumbing. The steps involved in laying of pipes are before installation of a new pipeline in the building, a new layout plan of water distribution of the pipes from the storage water tank is prepared. Second, line of alignment of the pipes are maintained properly. Third, chalk marking or powdered marking is done with the help of a thread or rope on the proposed area of the wall. Pipes are fixed horizontally or vertically as required from the source of main water. Fifth, threading in the pipelines is carefully done so that joints are well settled and leakage are prevented. Next is jute and white paste are properly applied over the threaded portion to prevent leakage and for having watertight joints. Efforts are made to keep the number of joints on the pipeline as minimum as possible. And last is the size of pipes is selected according to the length of the service pipeline. Minimum pressure of water in the distribution main. Type of plumbing fixtures, in example, elbows, bend unions, T-joints used in the building. Rate of flow and highest point of delivery above the distribution main. Next.
Next, let's go to the pipe joints. Pipes are connected with the help of joints. A variety of joints are used in an assembly of pipes. Various types of joints could be used in a pipe per the, per the requirement. Joints are also used for multiple pipe connections and are an important component of the plumbing system. So here are the types of pipe joints. First is the threaded joint, next the welded joint, the brace joint, soldered joint, groove joint, flank joint, and compression joint. So let's go first with the threaded joint. So threaded joint, when pipes are joined by screwing in threads which are provided in the pipe, it is called the threaded joint. Next is the welded joints. It's one of the most common methods of joining pipes used in large infrastructure like commercial, institutional, and industrial system. Next is the socket welded joints. So socket welded joints, these are used when there is a high chance of leakage in the joints. Next is the braced joints. So when pipes are joined with the help of a molten filler material or above 840 degrees Celsius, it is called brazing. Brazing is done for connecting copper pipes or copper alloy pipes. Next is the solder joints. In soldering, the filler material melts below 840 degrees Celsius with the help of soldering. Copper and copper alloy pipes are joined. Soldered joints are suitable for low temperature areas and have low mechanical strength. Next is the groove joints. When two pipes are joined together by making grooves, at the end of the pipes with the help of sockets or couplings, such joints, so these joints are called groove joints. Next is the flange joint. This joint is commonly used for joining pipes in pumping stations. Next is the compression joint. These are applied to join the pipe without any preparations. The cost of installation of these joints is very economical. The pipes having plain ends are joined by the fixing fittings at their ends. Now let's go to the pipe fittings. So pipe fittings are an important component of the plumbing system. In plumbing, many types of fixtures are joined with the help of various types of material as per the requirement. Fittings are fixed in the plumbing system to join straight pipes or any section of tubes. So type of fittings. First is the collar, elbow, gasket, union, reducer, T, nipple, and trap. The first one is the collar. So while joining two pipes in the same length, collar is used. Collar is fitted in the end of the pipe. Elbow. It is installed at the time of joining two pipes. With the help of an elbow, the direction of the liquid is changed. Next is the gasket. They are mechanical seals, generally ring-shaped, typed, and fitted for sealing flange joints. Next is the union. When two ends of pipes are joined, the pipe fitting used is called union. A union is made of three parts, namely a nut, a male end, and a female end. Next is the reducer. It is used to connect pipes of different diameters. A reducer may be of various types like reducer T, reducer elbow, and reducer socket. Next is the T. It is an important fitting with a side outlet at 900 to the run of the pipe. These connect pipes of various diameters and help in changing the direction of water or material in a pipe. Tees are made in various sizes like equal or unequal. The equal T is most commonly used. Next is the nipple. It is a piece of pipe having thread at both sides and could be used for short extension of plumbing lines. It can also be used for connecting two fittings within small distance. Next is the trap. It is a fitting in a P, U, S, or J shape type. Traps are fitted near a plumbing fixture. The trap bend is fitted to prevent sewer gases from entering the building. If the gases are inserted back into home, then it could lead to people inhaling foul smell, which could cause illnesses and it could even explode. Next is the cross fitting. When four pipes are joined, a cross is formed. It is also called a cross branch line or a four-way fitting. Offset. When an assembly of fittings on a pipeline makes one section of pipe out of line and parallel to a second section, then it is known as an offset. Plumbing fixtures are receptacles intended to receive the water, liquid, or water carried waste and discharge them into the discharge or the drainage system. The first one is the water closet. It is a plumbing fixture used to convey organic body waste to the plumbing system, and this comes in the following types. First one is the washdown. So this is what a washdown looks like. The next is the reverse trap. Next, the siphon jet. Next is the siphon vertex. Next is the direct flash valve. So the second plumbing fixture is the lavatories, a bowl or basin for washing the face and hands. The basin could be of any form and shape. The third one is the bidet, a fixture that appears like a water closet since a person sits down on it, but it is designed as a combination lavatory that can plug the drain and collect hot and cold water with an inverted water spray to clean the most delicate and well guarded parts of the body. The fourth one is the urinals, a sanitary plumbing fixture for urination only. Urinals are often provided in public toilets for male users. Fifth is the bathtub, known simply as a bath or tub. It's a container for holding water in which a person or animal may bath. Next is the bathroom accessories. So items specifically designed for use in a bathroom such as soap dishes, towel racks, and etc. Bathroom accessories typically have durable decorative finishes. Next is kitchen sink. Kitchen Kitchen sink is a sink in a kitchen used for washing dishes and preparing for food. And this comes in the following types. First one is the single bowl. We also have double bowl and a triple bowl. It could also be a corner bowl and a single bowl and a strain board. Next is double bowl and strain board. Next is a triple bowl and strain board. And last is the single bowl and double strain board. So that would be all. Thank you for listening to our report. God bless.